Hello everyone, welcome you all once again in the class of business acumen. So, in previous lectures, we were talking about effective management process. So, today we are in the continuation of that. We are going to understand certain points which gives a glimpse about effective management process and give the more clarity on that particular concept. So, first point we are going to discuss is managing effectively for results. How good managers manage everything effectively for just delivering the better result. A good manager are proactive. They always think what is just going to happen. So they prepare themselves in advance. And they are unconventional in managing change. They are always ready to just make the changes because they are very flexible enough and ready to do the work in more better and productive way with the less resources and greater vision and more flexibility and diversity so that they can operate better that particular work and achieve the target whatever organization wants from them. They always being very influential for the organization because they always set a target for that particular objective or target. They work continuously without just making any hindrance in their path. So they always focus on the high performance and want to improve their self and their team continuously, and they want to prove them as a champion, and also they want to prove their team as a team of champions. And these managers, those are just looking for the effective results, are initiator of the change. They are the person who just adopt the changes very easily. Because in the most of the cases, if I'll talk about in present scenario, environment is so dynamic, so volatile. So everywhere changes are going on. But most of the people are not ready to adopt that. Because they believe that what the pattern they are doing the work for a longer time, they don't want any disturbance in that. They want to perform their duties and tasks on that pattern. But the real or result oriented person, result oriented manager, always take the initiative to adopt new things, new policies, new technologies, and wants to take the lead in that particular segment. So, an effective manager will be the one who is manage the performance for the result, who use the resources in a best way so that he can ensure the resources are giving value for money and reducing wastage, even though we can say avoiding wastage. Next, develop performance indicator and benchmark for continued improvement. They always just make the improvement in their previous results so that they can be progressive. They develop a review process of their work so that they can improve their work process, procedures and system. They identify and address problem and concern through preventive action. They always identify what is just going to happen in the future. If they find there is any problem is just going on, then they take the remedies for that. They always just find the solution for that particular problem and be ready with the situation, whatever the situation is just going to have in that particular scenario. Next is make change happen. Basically, change is a catalyst which drives the continuous improvement. If change is not there, then nobody is just going to make the improvement, because change is the dynamic. It just gives the force to everyone to just make the improvement in their self, in their organization, so that they can survive. Otherwise, they will be out from the market. If they are static in nature, if they don't want to change their self, their working style, work beyond traditional boundaries and produce results. They are always ready to adopt, keen to adopt new and challenging technologies, new and challenging way, method, and system, and ultimately produce result. They prepared themselves for taking risk, overcome obstacles, and manage resistance. They are always ready to take the risk, because the biggest risk of the life is not to take risk. So they ready to take the risk, but that risk is calculative enough. Learn from the mistake and success. Don't lose the strength and courage. They always learn from their mistakes, from failure, and succeed into the next project or the next work process. So they learn from their past and move ahead with the success rate, more success rate. Act ethically and maintain integrity. They are open, honest, and truthful. They don't feel there is a need of being faulty in the business. If you are being honest, you are being truthful, you are very open, then people will readily able to adopt your product and services. Uphold integrity of oneself and in a staff. Keep promises, deliver results, and admit mistake. They are always creating an environment that shows we have to deliver the result. We have to just maintain our dignity by just producing more results and just fulfilling the promise whatever we have just done. And if in that path, if we have just done any mistake, then we have to accept that, and we have to learn from that particular mistake and move ahead. Take responsibility for continuous self improvement. Understand strengths and weaknesses of theirs and their working environment. They also should explore the good management practices. Apart from that, they have to update their knowledge, skills, and techniques related to the job. They have to take the feedback, and they have to give the feedback as well. So that with the feedback, they can just make the improvement in their own personality as well as their team. They always develop a different range of job experience, so that you can be diversified, you can be multi-talented. They extend network and arrange self-study for continuous learning and improvement. They always just go for the more training and development programs so that you can continuously learn something from that particular work and try to improve it next time whenever you are going to do that. Possesses and project a positive self-image. The successful manager is self-motivated and they are willing to do anything for their objectives. They are having high spirit, high energy, and they always lead by examples and personal commitments. So all these are the certain success points which a manager do for being more success in this particular dynamic environment of the business. So we'll take up the discussion of all these points in the class with more practical exposure, and in the meantime kindly watch the video, be safe, stay at home, take care, God bless you all.